Hello everyone, today we are here to make prawns in olive oil and garlic. Oh, this is one amazing dish. This is traditionally served as a tapas in Spanish bars. I have personally taken this recipe from Mallorca, Spain. This is one of my travel memories. So let me share this simple recipe with all of you guys. So let's start. First thing to do is to chop your garlic. You don't have to be very precise in it, just a rough chop will do. Now you have to dump all your garlic in cold olive oil, and the olive oil and the garlic heats up together. Now once the oil is a little hot and everything starts to bubble up, then start putting in your washed and deveined prawns in it. Now you can use shrimp, prawns, tiger prawns, any kind of variety of any other kind of shellfish as well. Once you see your prawns turned nice and pink and you know it's cooked through, that is the time you add some salt in it and squeeze some lime juice and mix it well. Switch off the flame and just sprinkle on some pepper. And your dish is ready, and all you need now is some really soft freshly made pav. Dip that pav in that flavorful oil and just enjoy the prawns along with it. So till the next time.